The notifications were driving me crazy, but thanks to Scribe for sponsoring today's video. It's a total game changer. Most people don't struggle to build something. They struggle to scale it. Not because they lack the tools, not because they lack the skills, but because everything, every process, every workflow, every system still lives up here. So every time someone new joins the team, you explain it again. Every time a client asks how something works, you explain it again. Every time you want to hand something off, you're back to square one. And that's exactly where things start to break. Today I'm going to show you the tool that changed this for me completely. And honestly, I wish I had it way earlier. Let's dive in. Here's what documenting a workflow used to look like for me. I'd open a Google Doc, start screenshotting every single step, paste each one in, write the instructions manually underneath, try to remember if I missed anything, then record a Loom video on top of that just in case the doc wasn't clear enough. And you know what happened with most of those videos? Nobody watched them. The whole process would take me anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour for one workflow. And the moment that process changed even slightly, I had to go back and redo the whole thing. So instead of actually building and scaling, I was stuck in this loop of documenting, re-explaining, and repeating myself. If any of that sounds familiar, keep watching, because there's a much better way. That's where Scribe comes in. Scribe is a workflow AI platform that automatically documents how work gets done. You don't write the instructions. You don't take the screenshots. You just do the task once. And Scribe builds a complete step-by-step guide for you in real time. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to capture a workflow I actually use, generating a consistent AI character in OpenArt. This is something I do regularly, and it's one of those processes that's weirdly hard to explain in words but super easy to show, which makes it perfect for a scribe. Before explaining what is happening, let's set up our Scribe workflow. First things first, visit scribe.how/lockup to get started for free. Once you are logged in, you can invite your team member to your team. Once done, install the Scribe extension on your browser. It's super simple. You can pin it to the top for better experience. Okay, we are done. Now let's create our first scribe. So, click on here and select the tab. I am selecting the OpenArt AI tab, where I will train a character and create consistent character image. Now I'm just going to go through the process like I normally would. I'm not doing anything differently. I'm not stopping to type notes. I'm not pausing to screenshot anything. I'm just working. However, if you want to know more about OpenArt consistent character workflow, you can watch this video. Okay? And now I'm going to hit stop capture. And look at this. Every single step is right there. The clicks are captured. The screenshots are added automatically. The instructions are written out. I didn't type a single word. That whole process would have taken me 20 to 30 minutes to document manually. Scribe did it in the same time it took me to just do the task. Now the first thing I do after capturing is clean it up a little. You can edit any step, rewrite any instruction, delete steps that aren't necessary, or add extra context where it's helpful. So you're not stuck with rough auto-generated notes. You can turn this into a really polished, clear guide that anyone on your team can actually follow without coming back to ask you questions. You can also add headings to break it into sections, and drop in tips where something needs a little extra explanation. It takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and the difference in clarity is massive. Once your scribe is ready, sharing it takes about 5 seconds. Hit the share button and you've got a few options. You can send a direct link. Anyone with the link can view it instantly. You can embed it directly into Notion, Confluence, your internal wiki, wherever your team already works. Or you can export it. Download it as a PDF if you need a more formal version for documentation or client handoffs. I personally use the link share the most. I've got scribes saved that I just drop into Slack whenever someone asks me how to do something. Done. No more back and forth. Now this is one of my favorite features, and I think it's genuinely underrated. It's called Guide Me. So instead of someone opening the Scribe doc in one tab and trying to follow along in another, which, let's be honest, everyone loses track doing, Guide Me pulls the guide directly into the browser as a live, interactive walkthrough. See this? It pops up right on top of the actual workflow. It shows you exactly where to click. You move through each step one at a time. It's like having someone sit next to you and walk you through the whole thing. For onboarding especially, this is a game changer. Instead of asking a new hire to read through the doc and figure it out, They can literally follow along step by step in real time without ever leaving the page. Okay, now let's talk about another very important feature. Build a full system. Okay, this is where it goes from useful to genuinely powerful. Individual scribes are great, but Pages lets you combine multiple scribes into one single document. So instead of sending 5 different links for 5 different processes, you build one complete playbook. So for example, I've got a content system I use with my team. I've got a Scribe for content creation, one for publishing, one for distribution. I pull all of those into one page, and now my team doesn't just have a list of instructions, they have a full system. Everything in one place, in order, easy to navigate. And you can share a page exactly the same way you share a regular Scribe. Link, embed, export. Same options, same simplicity. This is genuinely the feature that made me realize Scribe isn't just a documentation tool, it's a systems tool. One more thing worth mentioning. You can customize the look of your scribes. Add your logo, your brand colors. So if you're sharing guides with clients or external teams, it doesn't just look like a generic doc. It looks like something you made intentionally. It feels polished and professional, which matters when you're representing your work or your brand. Here's the real shift that happened for me. Before Scribe, I was the bottleneck. Every new hire, every client, every teammate who needed to learn something, they came to me, and I'd explain it. Again. With Scribe, I do it once. I document it once. And from that point on, the process runs without me. My team can execute without asking me every 5 minutes. New people ramp up faster because they've got clear visual guides to follow, not a block of text to figure out. And processes stay consistent because everyone's working from the same source. And yes, if you want to package your workflows for clients, you absolutely can. But honestly, the bigger win for me is simpler than that. I've turned how I work into something that can scale beyond me. And that's what actually moves the needle. Quick note on pricing. Scribe has a basic plan which is free to get started. A pro plan that unlocks the advanced features I showed you today like pages, customization, and more. And an enterprise plan for larger teams that need advanced security, admin controls, and team-wide management. If you're a solo creator or small team, Pro is honestly where it starts to get really good. If you're at a company scale, Enterprise has everything you need built in. If you're spending time explaining the same things over and over to your team or your clients, that's the bottleneck, and it's completely fixable. Scribe turns your workflows into step-by-step guides automatically, so your team can actually follow them, execute them, and scale with them, without you having to repeat yourself. So, try Scribe today. The link is in the description. And if you want to unlock the pro features I showed you today, you can do that right from that link too. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.